There's also like bubbles at the top of it. Which I don't really know what they are. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we are coming to you all the way from Warrenton, Virginia, which I think is technically still considered Northern Virginia. It's very close close to Gainesville, close, so maybe it's Northern Virginia, maybe it isn't. And today we are at Claire's at the depot. I found Claire's at the depot on Yelp. It had like a 4.8 rating out of like 2,500 reviews out of 5. So I was like, I want to check this place out. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. The entire restaurant is completely full. There was one table available outside. We got the last table. All the inside is completely full. Never seen that at 1:30 in the afternoon. Maybe even in Loudoun. All right, you guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. So I'm gonna jump into the ambiance first because I know it's gonna be a positive tip about this place. It's a beautiful, beautiful little restaurant. The outdoor area is great. They have a little pond here with fish. They can actually give you food and you can feed the fish if you want to. There's a nice little kind of like retro old train here. It's just a beautiful place. I'm gonna go full one off of overall ambiance of the restaurant, and then we're gonna jump into the appearance. So I don't know if you guys, that in focus, this is in focus. You've guys seen enough of these where you know I like a big glass. I like a single cube. I really do not like muddled. So this is a small glass, no single cube, muddled. So I'm not a big fan of the appearance. There's also like bubbles at the top of it. Which I don't really know what they are. I've never seen that in an old fashioned before. Maybe when they shook it, I don't know. So, or maybe they put club soda in it, I don't know, who knows. So on appearance, not a great start on that, but we're gonna go a 1 flat, and then here we go, first sip. So the smoothness, not so great. I think that's a problem with a lot of old fashions that get muddled. You muddle all the flavor on the bottom of it. So the first sip is not gonna be that great, and then once you get to the middle of it, it's probably where it's gonna be well balanced, and then once you get to the end, it's probably gonna be way too sweet. So first sip, a little bit rough, a little bit stronger because all the sweetness is, again, it's settled down on the bottom there. I'm gonna go 1, 2 on first sip, and then I'm gonna try to pound this as fast as I can to let you know about the overall. Again, I think when we get to the middle, it might even out. See, that one was so-so. I'm still confused about the bubble situation, but see, now the sweetness is starting to kick in a little bit. It's also 1:30 in the afternoon, so I didn't eat yet, so this is gonna, like, yeah. Actually, that sip was really good. So now, not so much the middle, closer to the bottom is where kind of the sweet spot. And then I know like the last sip is probably gonna be just like all sugar. Yeah, last sip, very sweet. So overall, a little bit better than the first sip because the first sip, again, is very rough, very strong. I'm gonna go 2, flat 2 for the overall. So what I said? I said 1, 1, 1, 2, that's 3, 2, flat 2, 5.2. Claire's at the depot, Warrenton, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.